Why wait to build when you can have everything you've ever dreamed of right now?
This beautiful home is located in the waterfront community of Waterman's Bluff. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, plus an office. Let's go check it out.
So one thing I love about this neighborhood, you got the front porches, you've got these back alleyways with the garages, and you have these amazing trees. Other communities, they'll come, they'll clear every single tree, start the community with no trees. This one, they saved as many trees as they could. So there's canopied roads with live oak, Spanish moss, there's magnolia trees. It's just a beautiful community to live in.
As soon as we walk in, we have this beautiful open split floor plan. The ceilings are stunning. They're 12 feet in some areas, 10 feet in others. It just makes the space feel huge and open. You come right in, you have the bar with all your living area space, and then you come into this glorious kitchen. The island is huge. It's a great place to gather. It's beautiful. You have tons of countertop space for all the prep work. So if you like to cook or host, this space is just ideal for it. We've got the coffee bar here, which I love because I'm a huge coffee drinker. You've got your drink fridge or wine fridge, however you choose to want to use it. Beautiful appliances. Again, you get all of that brand new luxury living, but it's set and ready to go. You're not going to wait 2 years for a new build. Right over here, if you follow me, storage in this house is amazing. So you've got a huge walk-in pantry that can hold all the things. Keep your countertops clear and beautiful, and you can put everything in there. You've got essentially like a mud space here. You can drop your backpacks, purses, all the things. A great laundry room space with all the built-in cabinetry throughout the house. Okay guys, follow me this way into the primary suite. You'll see that there's tons of natural light in this room, which is what I love. And watch this. Alexa, close the shades. So all of the shades in the house are electronic like that. You can set for different times or daytime or evening lighting, whatever your preference is. How cool is that?
Okay, so in the backyard, you have this ginormous triple sliding door. You've got a grill, you've got gas hookups. You've got a TV hookup up here, you've got ceiling fans, outdoor dining, and then if you want to follow me this way, so we've got a good size yard, and then the garage is on the other side of the house, so you have a private rear alleyway entry.
All right, this way we have the primary ensuite, with a water closet, a beautiful walk-in shower, double vanity, and then dual walk-in closets with tons of storage.
This room is one of my favorite. This is an office. It's got the 8-foot French doors, got the Peloton. This room also doubles as a guest bedroom. There's a Murphy bed hidden here. You have closet space. So you've got a built-in desk, granite countertops, bookshelves, piano.
Okay, so we keep talking about how awesome the storage is in this house. Let's just take a quick review.
Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, I want you to check out the Deepwater dock. We've got the floating dock. You've got marsh views, river views, all of St. Mary's, Georgia, right there across the water. And this is also the site of the future Waterman's Bluff Marina. Please be sure to like, follow, and subscribe on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We would so much appreciate that. And if you have any questions, feel free to call or text me at 904-760-9393.